Ho! Hey everyone, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. Today, we're re-diving into a trouble code that can make any driver S-heart skip a beat. P0524, which stands for Engine Oil Pressure Too Low. This is a serious one, folks, because proper oil pressure is the lifeblood of your engine. It's what keeps all those fast-moving metal parts lubricated and cool. Without it, you're looking at catastrophic engine damage. So, if this code pops up, you need to stop driving immediately and figure out what's going on. First things first, what does P0524 actually mean? Your car's computer, the Powertrain Control Module or PCM, gets a signal from the engine oil pressure sensor. This sensor tells the PCM how much oil pressure is in the system. The PCM sees that the pressure is below the minimum required level for a certain amount of time. It triggers the check engine light and logs the P0524 code. It's your car's way of screaming for help. So, what are the symptoms you might notice? The most obvious is the check engine light on your dashboard. 2. You might also see the oil pressure warning light come on, which often looks like a little red oil can. In more severe cases, you could hear some pretty scary noises coming from your engine like knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds. This is a very bad sign, indicating metal-on-metal contact. Your engine might also run rough, stall, or even fail to start altogether. Don't ignore these signs. Now, let's talk about the common culprits behind a P0524 code. The simplest and most common cause is just low engine oil level. Have you checked your dipstick recently? Oil can be lost through leaks or get burned up over time. If the level is too low, the oil pump can't pick up enough oil to circulate it properly, leading to low pressure. So, the very first thing you should always do is check your oil level. Another frequent cause is using the wrong type of oil. Engines are designed to work with a specific oil viscosity, like 5W30 or OW20. Using an oil that's too thin can result in lower pressure, especially when the engine gets hot. Always check your owner's manual and use the manufacturer's recommended oil. If the oil level and type are correct, we need to look at the components themselves. The engine oil pressure sensor could be faulty. These sensors can fail over time, giving the PCM a false low pressure reading, even when the pressure is perfectly fine. It's a relatively inexpensive and easy part to replace. So it's a common starting point for diagnosis after checking the oil itself. Things get a bit more serious from here. The problem could be with the oil pump. The pump is the heart of the lubrication system, and if it's worn out or failing, it won't be able to generate enough pressure. Replacing an oil pump is a much bigger job, as it's usually located inside the engine's oil pan. Another possibility is a clogged oil filter or a blocked oil passage. If you've been skipping oil changes, sludge and debris can build up and restrict oil flow. This is why regular maintenance is so crucial. A simple clogged filter can starve your engine of oil just as effectively as a failed pump. Always change your oil and filter according to your vehicle's service schedule. Finally, in the worst-case scenario, the low pressure could be due to worn internal engine components, like bearings. As bearings wear out, the clearance between them and the crankshaft or camshafts increases. This extra space allows oil to escape more easily, causing a drop in overall system pressure. This is usually the result of long-term neglect or very high mileage, and often means a major engine rebuild or replacement is needed. So, to recap the diagnostic steps. First, pull over safely and check the engine oil level and condition. If it's low, top it up and check for leaks. If the level is good, verify you're using the correct oil viscosity. Next, ULL want to test the oil pressure with a mechanical gauge to confirm if the pressure is actually low or if you just have a bad sensor. If the pressure is indeed low, you'll need to inspect the oil pump, check for clogs in the system, and, ultimately, inspect for worn engine bearings. Dealing with a P0524 code is not something to put off. It's a critical warning that requires immediate attention. If you're not comfortable diagnosing it yourself, please get your vehicle to a trusted mechanic right away. You could be saving yourself from a multi-thousand-dollar engine replacement. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope this helps you understand the P0524 code a little better. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to CodeMechanic for more car repair tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.